The winter months have hit here on the east coast of Canada. My life's become a little bit more sedentary. I've been enjoying more comfort food, and over the last few months, I've put on a little bit of a dad gut, a dad bod. It's not too bad, however, it is bothering me. They've also recently closed the gym near my place due to COVID. So I thought I would run 1 mile a day, every day for the next 30 days and hopefully shed off this little bit of extra weight, get my body fat percentage down, and be able to see my abs again. Alright, so I'm going to be using the Nike Club Run app. I'm just going to use the basic run function. And as you can see, it's snowing. Maybe you can't see that. So this is going to be fun. I'll see you guys when I get back. Hopefully no one steals my camera. So I just got back from the run. Somebody put my camera inside. It ended up measuring me in kilometers, and I ran 1.5, and I Googled it and it's 1.6 in a mile. So I ran it in, maybe I'll just throw it up on the screen, 9 minutes and 49 seconds. So I'll make sure to run a mile tomorrow and keep going for the rest of the week. It's -10 today, but the sun is shining. It's a beautiful day. Let's get it. Looks like I'm starting to get some grays. Make sure to drop the video a like and subscribe if you're new. So we're all done the first week. It does feel really good to get back into the groove of running. The below freezing temperatures is pretty tough some days. However, it does wake me up, and I'm a big believer in comfort breeding stagnation. So it's been a fun challenge so far. I thought for the second week, instead of showing me running all week again, I would show you guys what I typically eat in a day to lean out. And yeah, so here it is. All right, so usually I have 2 to 3 eggs, but I need to go to the grocery store, so it's just one avocado, 1 sweet potato, and some goat cheese, fig flavored. For lunch, I'm gonna have a curry with shrimp and spinach over my good old friend, sweet potato. For dinner, we've got some chicken wings with some stub barbecue rub with some honey. I'm just gonna toss that up, and I'm serving it with a salad and my good old friend, sweet potato. I love sweet potato. I never get tired of it. I usually eat it 2 to 3 times per day. So that is typically what I eat in a day. I try to stick to lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. A paleo diet when I'm leaning out doesn't always happen. I have had a couple of grilled cheeses since starting this challenge. So we're gonna bang out the last couple weeks. I have a surprise for you guys at the end, near the end of the video. I'm gonna be doing a little bit of traveling, so stick around for that. Sometimes on the days that it's not that cold, it's the wind chill that gets you. Literally feels like it's -20 and it's so icy. It's another beautiful day. We only got a few more days left in this challenge. Getting on a plane tomorrow. Are you guys as excited as I am? Probably not. Let's go.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504.
All right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed those clips of Atlanta. So it is day 30. I'm gonna go to the park to get the last run in. I believe my best time was around 8:05, so that's the time to beat. I'm hoping to get under 8 minutes, but we'll see what happens.
When my friends go, it was simple. When the ends low, switch the tempo. I got right, I got heart, I won't die, I'ma fight. I go down, bet I strike. I go hard day and night, yeah. I go hard day and night. 1 to 1, no surprise. See the hate in their eyes. My brothers blood money bleed. I got the game in the squeeze. What would you do for some green? What would you do for some blues? Go pick and choose, a family to cheese. Some people not built like that. Some people get killed like that. Pressure like water, lights, mortgage. I been at bills like that. Now I got kids like that. No wonder why I feel like that. Some people go to war for nothing. Me, I go to war for some. Some people need knives and guns. Same ones just talk and run. Some people go to war for none. Me, I go to war for some. Some people need knives and guns. Same ones just talk and run. When my friends go, it was simple. When the ends low, switch the tempo. I got right, I got heart.
All right, guys, so we got 7 minutes and 50 seconds for the mile. Super happy with that. I think I started around 10:05, so I'm really excited with the decrease, and I'm losing my breath, and the ability of time I was able to knock off my run, and hopefully I've toned up my stomach as well. So I'll show you guys the after video right now.
What if you roll to the end? What if you started again? This is real life, not a game. I fight my battles to win, but some people go to war for none. Me, I go to war for some. Some people need knives and guns.
So as you can see, I have leaned out a little bit. I'm definitely happy with the results, more so the minutes that I knocked off the mile. I should mention that I've also been doing a 30-day workout transformation during this time, so that has contributed to the leaning out as well. I definitely feel like I will keep running after you get over that first week, 2-week hump. That's when you really get into your groove and you start to enjoy your runs. At least that's how it works for me. So I'm gonna wrap up the video here. It's a beautiful day here in Atlanta. I'm gonna enjoy my little vacation. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to drop it a big fat like, and make sure to turn that bell on if you're new. The workout transformation will be dropping shortly. I have been enjoying some soul food, so hopefully that doesn't ruin everything, but I feel like I should be okay. So I will see you guys in the next video. Much love, guys. Take care.